So on that note, I thought we'd just play a game. So here's how the game's going to work. Well, I'm gonna go through about a dozen people, real people, and you are going to give me one adjective that captures their essence. Okay, so here we go. And most of these people you know personally, but some of them are dead. But okay, so let's start. J. Edgar Hoover, one adjective.
Complicated.
Elliot Ness.
Straight.
Barack Obama.
Wise.
Rudy Giuliani.
Changed.
John Gotti.
Thug-like. That's a hyphen, so it's one word.
You are a great writer. President George W. Bush.
Insecure.
Dick Cheney.
Overconfident.
Mike Flynn.
Weird.
Okay. Robert Mueller.
Principled.
Merrick Garland.
Thoughtful.
Donald Trump.
Damaged.
That was terrific. Thank you for playing along with that.